Today we're going to be doing the horns for the Gusher Gremlin. If I can. I don't think I have enough clay. Like, I really don't think I have enough clay to make these. It's possible, but not likely. And this clay could be dry. Feels a little bit hard, but we'll see what we can do with it. The wild thing is, I don't even know if I have enough, and I probably don't with how this clay's acting. Clay is so unnecessarily expensive, so... Fun fact, I'm listening to this podcast, and Andrew Hugbees said, a hot take about Roblox. Fun thing about that is at Umicon last year, I actually saw Andrew. I went to his panel on Roblox. That's it. That might not be the right intro, but we're working on the Gusher Gremlin today. I'm starting off with this jewelry wire. I'm gonna shape it to the shape I want. Next, we're gonna cover these bad boys in plastic bags. I was gonna use fabric because I thought it might look nicer, but then I figured, ew. Alright, this is what, let's see. This is what we're looking at. It's pretty good. We have to shape it some more, but we'll figure that out. And then we're just gonna wrap it up with the same little wire. Alright, Epic Gamers, we're gonna get the Gusher Gremlin knocked out today. Like, she's gonna be done today. What we've done for the wig, curled up these bad boys, sprayed them with water, wrapped them around, done those to the ones that actually stayed in the wig. These ones fell out, and I'm gonna put them back in. But right now I'm gonna work on the horns. I'm gonna leave the wig for, I'm gonna do what takes longest first, basically. Yeah. Alright, so I finished wrapping this one in the plastic bag, and I like how this one feels and looks a lot better structurally. It looks bad this way, but that's because it goes like this. Like it's meant to go up and around like that, and I kind of want it to curl up a little bit more. Like that, but I can still adjust these. That's what I like about this method. You can constantly like adjust the curls and stuff if needed. I don't know, I just liked it better than how this one turned out. But yeah. I mean, not looking at it like that, I do want it to be like curled up better like that, but I mean like the I don't know. Yeah. Either way, I'll wrap this up in string. And I'm just gonna use the same string. I'm just gonna wrap it up the same way. And then I might go around both of them with a little bit of wire, just like on the outside of the string to give it a little bit more texture. And then I'll see if I can't go to the house today and spray paint them. Even though you're not really supposed to spray paint in the cold, but I don't have a choice, so yeah. Alright, like I said, they're both covered in the string. I have a little tiny bit of jewelry wire left, so I'm gonna just do a quick wrap around each horn.